Awning Windows Loves Park is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our team of Awning Window Loves Park experts expertise in providing top-notch awning window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in custom awning windows or energy-efficient awning windows, we have the perfect options for you. For those looking to upgrade their homes, Awning Window Replacement Loves Park offers a seamless transition to modern, stylish designs. Our Awning Windows Loves Park contractors are skilled in delivering high-quality installations that ensure long-lasting performance. With a variety of awning window styles and awning window designs available, you can find the perfect match for your home. Energy-efficient Awning Windows Loves Park are an excellent investment for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our selection of vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows provides durable and low-maintenance options. Awning window maintenance in Loves Park is made easy with our expert services, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Custom Awning Windows Loves Park allow you to personalize your home's appearance while enjoying the benefits of increased ventilation and natural light. Our awning window suppliers in Loves Park offer a wide range of awning window materials and awning window sizes to suit any architectural style. Awning window features such as easy operation and weather resistance make them a practical choice for any homeowner. Awning window replacement services in Loves Park are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our team provides prompt and reliable awning window replacement to address any issues you may encounter. With our comprehensive Awning Windows Loves Park, you can explore various awning window options and receive accurate awning window quotes. Visit our Awning Window Loves Park showrooms to experience the latest awning window designs and styles firsthand. Our knowledgeable staff is ready to assist you in selecting the best awning window upgrades for your home. Awning window prices in Loves Park are competitive, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment. Awning window reviews in Loves Park highlight the satisfaction of our customers with our products and services. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes us the preferred choice for awning window installation and replacement in Loves Park. Trust our Awning Windows Loves Park experts deliver exceptional results for your home improvement projects.